Corolla hybrid. The inner bonnet catch is driver's side. Underneath the dashboard, there it is. 2 fingers underneath it. You hear a jolly good click as it releases the bonnet or hood to the first click. Now you've got the finger gap and it's right in the middle. My hand goes above the badge and my middle fingers are around the lever, which is attached to the chassis rather than the bonnet. So I had to push to the left, and lift it at the same time. There's the bonnet strut. That's the bonnet hole. That's in there. Let's have a quick look at the lever mechanism. This is where your hands go through the gap and then you're just pushing to the left. That's what your fingers are trying to do. And it's right above the badge, of course, right above the badge. There you are, right above the badge. So check your oil, check your water, do whatever jobs you need to do. Put all your caps back, don't leave any tools lying around. Windscreen washer there. Okay, how to close. Remove the strut. The strut comes up here and just clicks in. Drop from a foot and it will shut perfectly. Right, you heard that satisfying click. That means it's shut. Always double check that you've shut the bonnet properly.